everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is one that we got from Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen on YouTube, and we'll put a link to her original recipe video in the description box below. Thanks, Mama Ray Ray. But this one is a copycat recipe from an Olive Garden chicken pasta, but it's like in the slow cooker. So we didn't have Olive Garden dressing, so we just used the Italian dressing that my mom had. But anyway, you'll see that in the video. So it is going to be called Italian chicken pasta in the slow cooker, our version of it. And of course, it's allergy friendly. But we based it off of Mama Ray Ray's recipe video. So we're going to link to that below. And it was delicious and so easy. And my mom really enjoys slow cooker recipes, especially on Monday, when she's got to run errands and stuff and doesn't have time to just cook something when she gets home. So this is a great one for that. So I hope you guys will give it a try. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't see my Mother's Day video, check it out. I posted it on Mother's Day. And also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and do so. We would really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great Monday. Chef Yoda the dog.
Hey everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, it's time for the Monday meal. Today is a recipe from our friend Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen on YouTube, and I'm going to put a link to her original video in the description box below. Thanks, Mama Ray Ray. Hers is a copycat Olive Garden chicken pasta recipe. Oh, that sound is Yoda. And so we're using some organic chicken breast that we got from Kroger, and we're doing ours from frozen instead of thawing out the chicken breast first, because you know I hate to think ahead and thaw out stuff. So we're going to do it on low for 6 to 8 hours. Then we'll shred the chicken. Then we'll add some pasta. So this is the chicken breast that we're using. Now, Mama Ray Ray, hers was a copycat version of Olive Garden because she used Olive Garden dressing. I don't have Olive Garden dressing, so I'm going to use, I used all of this bottle of the Primal Kitchen Italian dressing with avocado oil, and then I used the rest of it. You have to have 2 cups, so I used the rest of it from this Primal Kitchen balsamic Italian marinade. So anyway, we have our frozen chicken breasts in the bottom. I used salt and pepper on them from Baby Yoda here. This is the salt, this is the pepper. So I salt and peppered the chicken breasts, and then I covered them with 2 cups of the Italian dressing. And then you put in 8 ounces of cream cheese. So I've got my Daiya dairy-free cream cheese here because you know I'm allergic to dairy. And then 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. So I'm using the Follow Your Heart dairy-free Parmesan cheese. And so that's what's in here. We're going to cover it up. Got it on our slow cooker on low. We're going to cover it up. And again, those are frozen chicken breasts for 6 to 8 hours. And then I'll show you what we do next. All right, everybody. So it was about 7 hours from the time I put it on low to the time I shredded the chicken, but it was probably done at 6 hours. Again, it was frozen when I put it in there, but on low, it's only like 6 hours probably that it took to cook it. But I've shredded it now, and I've moved it to high. And currently I'm getting it coming up to a boil there so I can thicken up the sauce, and I'm going to leave the cover off to help with that. I've tasted it, it's really good. And so now we're going to cook 2 boxes of gluten-free penne to put in there. So I'm boiling the water here. And then once I drain that, I'm going to add it to this mixture here. And then we are going to show you the finished product. All right, everybody, this is the finished product. I cooked my noodles. Put it in here, stirred it up, added some more Follow Your Heart vegan Parmesan cheese, and it is good. Tastes good. Thanks, Mama Ray Ray, for the recipe. All right, see you next Monday. Bye.